Hello and welcome to How to Make a Prezi Presentation, a courseware on designing and making Zooming presentations with Prezi. Prezi is a cloud-based presentation software and storytelling tool for illustrating ideas on a virtual canvas. The product employs a zooming user interface which allows users to zoom in and out of their presentation media, and allows users to display and navigate through information with a 2D, point 0.5, or parallax 3D space. It has an online and offline editors that employs a common tool palette, allowing users to pan and zoom and to size, rotate, or edit an object. The user places objects on a canvas and navigates between videos, images, text, and other presentation media. In this courseware, we will start with creating a Prezi account. Okay? We'll go to the Prezi website, and from there we'll try to create a Prezi account, and just the non-pro or the free subscription one. You can also download the iPad app, which is optional and which will not be discussed in this courseware. And then after that, we will create a new Prezi. From there on, we start to plan out our presentations before starting to make one. You can outline the topic. Think non-linear. Think something like 3D. It's like putting everything on a table and then we arrange them later on when we want to present them. Write a story to tell. It's not necessarily start, middle, and end style. After having to plot out our story, we make a Prezi presentation. We start making one with the use of either a template. You can even made one from a previously made PowerPoint or PDF presentation. And then we can also edit a reusable Prezi presentation, or we can just start from scratch. Then we can customize our Prezi by adding a background image, a not really 3D image, but just navigated in 3D style or parallax 3D, or just the flat 3D image. And then we can customize the theme. And then adding contents to your Prezi presentation, we can add text and images either by uploading or importing from Google. I have also learned this technique, the copy paste of the URL, which I will show to you in this courseware. You can add symbols and shapes, then videos, and even YouTube videos. But of course, YouTube videos would require for you to have an internet connection for you to be able to play them. We can draw, add arrows, highlights, and background music. They also added this, adding a GIF animation, because many Prezi presenters are having a hard time doing one, okay, adding a GIF animation, because Prezi, as of now, does not allow you to add animated GIF images. Okay? You can import them, but it will just stick to the first frame. So what I'm going to show you is how to make sure that your GIF animations are animated inside Prezi. Then we edit and manipulate the contents either by editing the text that you entered, resizing them, the images and other contents of the presentation. We can even crop the pictures and add picture effects. And then we move them, the contents, so that we can either group them together or move the contents to a different location. And then we can rotate them, and then inserting frames. Okay? If in PowerPoint presentation we insert slides, here we use frames in Prezi. When you use a template frame, it automatically inserts a path. And then inserting or drawing different frames, we have 4 different types of frames: a rectangle frame, a bracket frame, a circle frame, and an invisible frame. Then we can also edit the frames similar to the contents. You can resize, rotate, add style, or remove the frame completely. Creating a path is like arranging the frames of your presentation so that it will appear the way we want them to be when they are presented. You can also edit the paths. Okay? If you can drag and drop slides in PowerPoint, you can do that one also in Prezi. Unlike PowerPoint presentation that has so many effects or animation, Prezi only has this fade-in animation, which is actually a good thing. Adding voiceovers to a frame. You can add voices or background music or any background voiceovers to every frame that is displayed on screen. And after you have made your Prezi presentation, you can either download it or present it online. You can download it as an executable Prezi, either for Windows or Mac. You can download it as an editable Prezi for those with Pro subscription. You can even perform a remote presentation. You can present it online to a limit of 30 members. And then I'll just show you how to navigate the presentation. Okay? So that's it for the introduction. I hope to see you more in the next videos. Thanks for watching.